Okay, so we've almost finished with the half-sided pork. Actually, I've got there's my guanciale. That's the cheek. Okay, that was the last piece, and then I realised actually we could enjoy some of the anatomy of the eyeball. So you can see the eye here. So you can see the white part. That's the bit that we don't see most of. If I go around to the rear here, you can see there's this little stubby bit. That is the part that transmits the information to the brain. So it's the optic nerve. That's where your blind spot is, which obviously sticks out a little bit. Now you've obviously got here as well, you've got the cornea, which is really nice and curvy, and it's smooth, and inside are all the bits. Now I've never tried this before with a pig, but I'm going to go for a half cut and we'll see what happens. I'll have to obscure it, let's see. So I'm going to cut right in and we'll see what we get left with. It's really quite tough. Hold on. I'm going to break into this, and it is really squidgy. Just a minute. I'm going to have to try for a bigger knife. Let's try again. So let's trying to go in here. It's tough, which is good really in a way because your eyes are dead delicate. So you've got the aqueous humour and the vitreous humour, which is a fluid. I just can't get in. I've put a cut in. There you can see I've actually scratched the cornea. So that would be a really bad day. Let's go for in. I'm going to have to probably, it's just so tough. There, I'm in. It literally is unbelievably tough. Okay. So that's why you're really better off with a pair of dissecting scissors. Now, that's all the humour coming out. Okay. Can't quite see the lens. No. The colours come out. So there we are. Not a lot we can see. I think we needed to go with the scissors a bit more carefully. But at least you've seen the bit that connects to the brain, and we had a good little look there at the cornea. So that's a pig's eyeball.